Ever feel like your business finances are scattered across different platforms, making reconciliation a monthly headache? Imagine a world where your Relay Bank transactions seamlessly flow into QuickBooks, automating your bookkeeping and freeing up your precious time. Sounds good, right? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into how to set up this powerful integration, transforming the way you manage your business finances. This isn't just about connecting two apps, it's about creating a more efficient, accurate, and stress-free financial ecosystem for your business. Think about the hours you currently spend manually entering bank transactions into QuickBooks, double-checking figures, and trying to reconcile discrepancies. What if that time could be spent on growing your business, strategizing, or even just taking a much-needed break? That's the promise of integrating Relay Bank with QuickBooks. Relay Bank, designed specifically for small businesses, offers features like multiple checking accounts, debit cards for team members, and built-in collaboration tools. QuickBooks, on the other hand, is a leading accounting software known for its robust features in invoicing, expense tracking, financial reporting, and more. When you bring these two powerhouses together, you unlock a level of automation and efficiency that can significantly impact your bottom line and your peace of mind. So, why is this integration so crucial? Firstly, it saves you time and reduces manual data entry. No more painstakingly copying and pasting transactions or dealing with the potential for human error. The integration automatically syncs your Relay Bank transactions directly into QuickBooks, ensuring your records are always up to date. Secondly, it improves accuracy. By eliminating manual data entry, you minimize the risk of errors, leading to more reliable financial reports and a clearer picture of your business's financial health. This accuracy is vital for making informed decisions and for tax preparation. Thirdly, it streamlines your reconciliation process. With your bank transactions automatically flowing into QuickBooks, the reconciliation process becomes significantly faster and easier. You can quickly match your bank statements with your QuickBooks records, identifying any discrepancies with ease. Finally, it provides a real-time view of your finances. By having a continuous flow of data from your bank to your accounting software, you gain a more accurate and up-to-the-minute understanding of your cash flow, allowing you to make proactive financial decisions. Now that we understand the why, let's get into the how. Setting up the Relay Bank and QuickBooks integration is a straightforward process, and we'll walk you through it step by step. Step 1. Ensure you have the necessary accounts. Before we begin, make sure you have active accounts with both Relay Bank and QuickBooks Online. This integration currently works seamlessly with QuickBooks Online. If you're using a desktop version of QuickBooks, you might need to explore other methods or consider upgrading to QuickBooks Online for this direct integration. Step 2. Navigate to the QuickBooks Banking section. Once you're logged into your QuickBooks Online account, navigate to the Banking section on the left-hand sidebar. This is where you'll manage your connected bank and credit card accounts. Step 3. Connect your bank. In the banking section, you'll likely see a button that says Connect Bank or Add Account. Click on this button. Step 4. Search for Relay Bank. A search bar will appear where you can type in the name of your bank. Type Relay Bank and select it from the search results. Step 5. Enter your Relay Bank credentials. QuickBooks will then prompt you to enter your Relay Bank login credentials. This typically includes your Relay Bank username and password. Ensure you enter these details accurately. QuickBooks uses secure connections to access your bank account information. Step 6. Select the accounts to connect. After successfully authenticating with Relay Bank, you will be presented with a list of your Relay Bank accounts, e.g., checking accounts, savings accounts. Select the specific accounts you want to connect to QuickBooks. You can choose to connect all your accounts or just specific ones. Step 7. Choose an import date, optional. QuickBooks might ask you if you want to import past transactions. You can typically choose a date from which you want the transactions to be imported. If you're setting up the integration for the first time, you might want to import transactions from a recent period to ensure your QuickBooks records are up to date. Step 8. Complete the connection. Once you've selected your accounts and the import date, if applicable, Click Connect or a similar button to finalize the integration. QuickBooks will then begin to connect to your Relay Bank account and download recent transactions. Step 9. Review and categorize transactions. After the initial connection, your Relay Bank transactions will start appearing in your QuickBooks banking feed. The next crucial step is to review and categorize these transactions. QuickBooks may automatically suggest categories based on the transaction details, but it's essential to verify these suggestions and make any necessary adjustments to ensure accurate bookkeeping. You can create rules within QuickBooks to automate the categorization of recurring transactions. For example, if you have a regular payment to a specific vendor, you can set up a rule that automatically categorizes these transactions to the appropriate expense account. This further streamlines your workflow and saves you time in the long run. Step 10. Reconcile regularly. While the integration automates the flow of transactions, it's still crucial to reconcile your bank accounts regularly, ideally monthly. Reconciliation involves comparing your QuickBooks records with your actual bank statements to ensure everything matches up. This helps identify any potential errors or discrepancies. QuickBooks makes the reconciliation process easier by providing a clear interface to match transactions. Troubleshooting common issues. While the setup process is generally smooth, you might encounter a few common issues. Incorrect login credentials. Double-check that you've entered your Relay Bank username and password correctly. If you've recently changed your credentials, make sure to update them in QuickBooks. Connection errors. Sometimes, there might be temporary connection issues between QuickBooks and Relay Bank. If this happens, try disconnecting and reconnecting your bank account. Duplicate transactions. In rare cases, you might encounter duplicate transactions. Review your banking feed carefully and exclude any duplicates. Transactions not importing. If transactions aren't importing, ensure your connection is still active and that you've selected the correct accounts. You might also need to check if there are any specific settings within Relay Bank that might be affecting the connection. Tips for maximizing the integration. Set up bank rules. As mentioned earlier, leverage QuickBooks bank rules to automate the categorization of recurring transactions. This will save you significant time and effort. Utilize QuickBooks Online mobile app. The QuickBooks Online mobile app allows you to review and categorize transactions on the go, keeping your books up to date even when you're away from your computer. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.